Hello friends! Welcome to my channel. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? This is the part 2 of the chicken satay barbecue which I made for my son. I will show you, it is already cooked. This one. I made a mistake before on the part 1 that I told you that satay is the Thailand recipe, or it's from Thailand, but because I did not look in the internet, I thought all along that it is a Thai recipe, because since I come to Sweden, I haven't seen any Indonesian restaurant here. The restaurant here, Indian. First, when I came to Sweden, it's only actually the Chinese and the Japanese restaurant. And then, there is now the Indian restaurant also, and the Thai restaurants. So, I thought all along that satay is a Thai recipe, because whenever my son, it is not actually that much we ordered in the Thai restaurant, but because most most restaurants which we ordered is the Japanese, because he likes the sushi. And then sometimes, yeah, before from the beginning it was actually the Chinese restaurant, and then now the Japanese and the Indian and the Chinese and the Swedish restaurant. So I want to read to you about satay. Satay. Satay in USA also, satay or sati in Indonesia and Malay, is a Southeast Asian dish of seasoned, skewered and grilled meat served with a sauce originating from Indonesian cuisine. Satay may consist of diced or sliced chicken, goat, mutton, beef, pork, fish, or other meats, or tofu. Bamboo skewers are often used, while rustic style of preparations employ skewers from the midrib of the coconut palm frond. They are grilled or barbecue over a wood or charcoal fire, then served with various spicy seasonings. Satay can be served in various sauces. However, most often they are served in a combination of soy and peanut sauce. Hence, peanut sauce is often called satay sauce. It is popular as a street food. It can be obtained from a traveling satay vendor, from a street-side tent restaurant, in an upper-class restaurant, or at a traditional celebration feast. The earliest preparation of satay is believed to have originated in Javanese cuisine, but has spread to almost anywhere in Indonesia, where it has become a national dish. Indonesian satay is often served with kicap manis, a sweet soy sauce, and is often accompanied with the lontong, a type of rice cake. Though the diversity of the country has produced a wide variety of satay recipes, it is also popular in many other Southeast Asian countries, including Brunei, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. It also recognized and popular in Suriname and in the Netherlands. A key feature of Thai satay is the inclusion of pork as a meat option and the Thai-style peanut sauce. See, that's why I thought all along that satay is a Thai, Thai recipes, because they make also that. In Sri Lanka, it has become a staple of the local diet as a result of influences from the local Malay community. Close analogs are yakitori from Japan, kaoro chuan from China, shish kebab from Turkey and the Middle East, sasalik from the Caucasus, and Susati from South Africa. It is listed at number 14 on world's 50 most delicious foods readers poll compiled by CNN in 2011. Origin and history. Although both Thailand and Malaysia claims it has their own, its Southeast Asian origin was in Java, in Indonesia. Their satay was developed from the Indian kebab brought by the Muslim traders. Even India cannot claim its origin, for there it was a legacy of Middle Eastern influence. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the English word satay is derived from the Malay word satay. Also sati or sati in Indonesia, ultimately originating from Tamil Katal, a region variant of Takai meaning fleece. The usage in English was first attested in 1917 with reference to a satay seller in Singapore, later a mention of sati in Denpasar, Bali. Appeared in 1937 with a description of Malay's cooking satay appearing in 1955. Satay may have been developed by Japanese street vendors as an adaptation of Indian kebabs. The introduction of satay and other now iconic dishes such as tung sing and gulay kambing based on meats such as goat and lamb coincided with an influx of Indian and Arab traders and immigrants starting in the 18th century. From Java, satay spreading through the Malay archipelago, and as consequence, numerous variations of the dish that have been developed. By the late 19th century, satay had crossed the Strait of Malacca into neighboring Malaysia, Singapore, and Thailand. In the 19th century, the term migrated, presumably with Malay immigrants from the Dutch East Indies, to South Africa, where it is known as susati. The Indo-Dutch people took this dish as well as many other Indonesian specialties to the Netherlands, thereby influencing Dutch cuisine. Preparation. Satay can be made from various meats. Meat commonly used include chicken. I have already read this. Variant and outlets of in Indonesia, satay known as disati and pronounced similar to the English satay is widely renowned dish in almost all regions of Indonesia. It is considered the national dish and one of Indonesia's best dishes. Satay is a staple in Indonesian cuisine and served everywhere from street carts to fine dining establishments, as well as in homes and at public gatherings. As a result, many variations have been developed throughout the Indonesian archipelago. The satay variants in Indonesia is usually named after the region it originated, the meats, parts, or ingredients. Its use is also might named after the process of method of cooking. In Indonesia, there are some restaurants that specialize on serving various kinds of satay and present it as their specialty, such as Sati Ponorogo Restaurant, Sati Blora Restaurant, and also chains of Sati Kas Sinayan restaurants previously known as Satay House Sinayan. In Bandung, the West Java Governor's Office is popularly called Gedung Sati, Indonesian Satay Building, to refer the satay-like pinnacle on its roof. Chicken Sati Ambal, a satay variant from Ambal Bo Min, Central Java. This satay uses a native breed of poultry. Ayam Kampung. The sauce is not based on peanuts but rather ground timpi, chili, and spices. The chicken meat is marinated for about 2 hours to make the meat tastier. This satay is accompanied with ketupat. Sati Ayam, chicken satay, the most common and widely distributed type of satay in Indonesia. Sati Banyar, a variant of chicken satay popular in South Kalimantan, especially in the town of Banjarmasin. Sati Blora, a variant originating in Blora in Central Java. This variant is made of chicken meat and skin, pieces that are smaller compared to the other variants. It is normally eaten with peanut sauce, rice, and a traditional soup made of coconut milk and herbs. Sati Blora is grilled in front of buyers as they are eating. The buyers tell the vendor to stop grilling when they are sated. Sati Kulit, skin satay food in Sumatra. This is a crispy satay made from marinated chicken skin. Sati Madura, originating on the island of Madura near Java. It is famous satay variant among Indonesians, most often made from mutton or chicken. The recipe's main characteristic is the black sauce made from Indonesian sweet soy sauce, kikap manis, mixed with palm sugar, called gula Java or Javanese sugar in Indonesia. Garlic, deep fried shallots, peanut paste, pitis, a kind of shrimp paste, kimre, candle nut, and salt. Chicken Madura satay is usually served in peanut sauce, while the mutton Madura satay is usually served in soy sauce. Chicken Madura, that is the one which has been Eric ordered before. Satay is usually served in sweet soy sauce. Sati Madura uses thinner chunks of meat than other variants. It is eaten with rice or rice cakes wrapped in banana coconut leaves, lontong kitopal. They are usually sliced into smaller pieces before being served raw. Thinly sliced shallots and plain sambal are often served as condiments. Sati Ponorogo, a variant of satay originating in Ponorogo, a town in East Java. It is made from sliced marinated chicken meat and served with a sauce made of peanuts and chili sauce and garnished with shredded shallots, sambal, chili paste, and lime juice. The meat is marinated in spices and sweet soy sauce. It is a process called basim and is served with rice or lontong, rice cake. The grill is made from terracotta earthenware with a hole in one side to allow ventilation to the coats. After 3 months of use, the earthenware grill disintegrates and must be replaced. Sati Taichan, a spiced chicken satay in hot sambal sauce served with lontong popular in Jakarta. It was said that the dish was an adaptation of skewered Chinese snack from Taiwan, which originally uses pork or rabbit meat and served with the soy sauce. The Indonesian version maintained the light Chinese-style seasoning, replaces pork with chicken, and adds spiciness with the addition of hot sambal. Another source mentioned that Sati Taichan was devised from a Japanese man's specific request that his satay omits peanut sauce and sweet soy sauce and only seasoned with a dash of salt and lime juice and served with a chili paste. I cannot read this all. There is a lots of this Indonesian recipes, and this one, this is actually also they have this in Indian restaurant. This because now when I read it, those recipes which I read, they have more in the Indonesian restaurant than in the Chinese restaurant. Okay guys, thank you again for watching. I hope that you like this vlog. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Bye bye.